Good morning, people. Good morning. Are you guys here? Can you hear me? Yeah, all good. I just did my self test and yeah, everything seems to be working good. Good morning. Welcome to this streaming, people. It's actually just gonna be amazing. I just realized that someone already got the BLW AI binary app. I'm not gonna say your name. I'm just gonna say, oh, you know who you are. Amazing. Thank you. Welcome, people, to this streaming. I am super excited to share with you. Oh, hold on. I don't have my camera on. Hold on. All right. All right, there you go. Hi, everyone. Welcome to this streaming. And I'm super excited about this streaming specifically because you already know that I mentioned that I was gonna release a brand new app for binary options based on my RSI 50 strategy, but I hadn't done that. It was supposed to be on January 2nd. It was supposed to be in December, then January 2nd, and then January the 22nd. I apologize about all the delays and stuff. But honestly, there was a reason behind it, and it was because we wanted to make sure that everything was working smoothly at the moment that we launched it. And here we are. Here we are with the application, which is this one right here. The link to it will be in the description of this video, blwai-binarytool.com. blwai-binarytool.com. The link is in the description. I'm just gonna share it here in the live chat. And basically what this streaming is all about is that we are going to have some Q&A in regards to the app. Of course, I'm gonna try to share with you how does it work, share some screenshots and stuff, and then maybe you want to see the app in action. Of course, as well, we're gonna answer a few questions in regards to what to avoid, what not to do, and so on and so on. About the auto trader as well, because it does include an auto trader. Well, not it includes, but you can use it as an auto trader. But I want to go through all the stuff. So I'm gonna put my camera right here, and I'm gonna put the app right here, and I'm gonna put the Signals app right here. And as usual, I'm going to go through some Q&A. I have the screen in this area, so I'm going to have the questions in this section right here. But first of all, yeah, where are you from? Where are you saying hi from? Where are you located? It's always good to know that. And so, is my micro too loud? I think it is. All right. I just lowered the volume a little bit on it. First question, does this app work? Trade automatically 24/7? Automatically, it depends. If you are going to be using the MT2 platform, yeah. If not, then no. It's not automated on MT4. All right, so I see people are saying hi from, what's your name? My name is Christian. Berlin, how you doing? That's Germany, all right? You also see people from Switzerland. How you doing? I love your country. Nairobi, Kenya, Virginia, Albania, Sweden, Pakistan, the UK, Japan, Bulgaria, Cambodia. I think it's Cambodia, isn't it? Or maybe I'm wrong. I'm sorry. Moldova, the US, Oklahoma City, Switzerland, Philippines, Nigeria, Los Angeles, Philadelphia, Jamaica, Philippines, the US, Germany, South Africa, Virginia, Pakistan. All right, so thank you very much, people, from saying where you guys are from. And let's go to some Q&A. Let's go ahead and go straight to the point. Let's see. Does it work in OTC? No. Why? Because MT4 doesn't work in OTC. It's not because the app doesn't work in OTC. MT4 doesn't work on OTC. All right. What's MT4 and MT2? MT4 is MetaTrader 4, this one right here. MT2 is this one right here, which is an actual third-party application You can find the link. I think it's MT2 somewhere here. Let me just go ahead and find the link. But it's basically a third-party application that you can use to connect the auto traders or the indicators and turn it into auto traders. All right, that's basically what it is. But it's optional. You don't really need it per se. But if in case you guys want to use it, I'm gonna actually put the link right now in the chat. I'm just looking for, of course, the affiliate link. You're gonna be like, whoa, you affiliate? Yeah, I am. But yeah, there it is. Let's see what else. All right, if you keep on copying pasting questions, I'm gonna ban you from chatting. All right, you're gonna be able to continue, but not copy pasting. All right, Zurich, heads everyone. What's the difference between the binary master app and the BLW binary AI tool? Good question. The BLW AI binary tool is an actual app. So you use it on MT4, like right here, and all you gotta do is just follow the trades. The BLW binary master app is an actual live signal service. Me, Marcel, Pablo, we're always sending signals live. That's the only difference. And in my case, I share my screen, which is something that people are going to be doing like for the rest of the, of the months. That's something that I'm going to announce in February. But yeah, I share my screen. That's the main difference. Copenhagen, how you doing? My question is, I have the BLW binary master app. Should I switch to the AI app? What's the difference? That's a good question. Well, not the difference because I already answered it, but should you switch? I wouldn't recommend you to do so if you're already making money. The point of me creating new apps or trying to help you guys out with different stuff is that you have different options. But if you already are making money, then there's no reason why you should switch. You can get it as an additional service and maybe you can have two sources of income, but switching, honestly, I wouldn't recommend it if I were you. Does this replace the signals I get from the app now? No, not at all. Remember that the BLW binary master app is based on a whole different strategy of Kellner channel. The BLW AI binary tool is based on the 50 RSI strategy, which is the one that I use on a daily basis. Where's the best place to download MT4 that works in the US? I'm not sure if IC Markets does work to download in the US. Try it out. Okay, go to IC Markets. Let me just go ahead and share you how. Just type in IC Markets. Doesn't matter if you don't use the affiliate link. You go to IC Markets and then you go to platforms and then you go to MT4. And then here you can download MT4. I'm not sure if it works. It should work in the US. And right here, all you have to do is, open a demo account with any broker you want to, or even with them. Just open a VPN and download it and open a free demo account. And that's it. That's pretty much it. Let's see. Is the AI app ready for purchase? Yes, it is. Go right now to the website. It is actually right here, blwAIbinarytool.com. The link to it is in the description. Well, it's not in the description. What the hell did I do here? All right. It's not in the description. It's actually, the link is, well, yeah, it's in the description. I'm sorry. Yeah, it's it. Oh, by the way, the pricing. Some of you probably are now familiar with it. $79.99. No excuses for this. If in case you guys want to pay with crypto, there's a chat to Telegram support here. They're pretty busy today, so you should just be patient, all right? And why is it that you haven't smashed the like button? Go ahead and smash the like button right now. There should be like 100 likes by this moment. I follow signals from the MT4 and got a little losses, more than wins. How come if it's available like 10 minutes ago, how do you have so many losses? I'm not even gonna spend more time in this question. How to set up the app for an MT2 and MT4? Go ahead and look for MT2 Trading BLW, MT2 Trading BLW, and you'll be able to get a video where I explain all of that. Thank you so much for sharing your screen in the master app. You're very welcome, Jason. Is OTC being controlled by the broker? Well, what a Look for OTC trading BLW. I have a video about it too. How to register again, but did it, and now I'm waiting activation. Awesome. Welcome, welcome. Shout out Lester. He's a good trader. He is. Crypto Sniper. Christian, are you from the USA? Just curious. No, I'm not in the US. I'm not from the US at all. I actually have an accent. Some Latin people have actually noticed that. Like they ask me like, hey, do you have an accent? Are you from anyone from the Hispanic area? And I'm like, yeah. Awesome. You're the best. Will you have live trading on Pocket Option today? Yes, I actually had a session like 2 hours ago, but honestly it was like crap. It was a crappy session. So, but I had to get ready for this streaming. Now, once I finish with this streaming, I'm gonna have a new session. Maybe you can recover, you wanna recover or something. I did recover actually right here, 39,000, but I didn't share my screen. It was afterwards, but don't worry. Let's see. Are we allowed to ask questions regarding trading or current strategy? What do you mean, right now? Well, yeah. Is it better to use a PC or Mac for MT4 in the new app? Honestly, look, first of all, when you actually install the application itself, you do need a computer. You need to install it in a computer. I actually got a new signal right now. So you install it in a computer, and what you got to do is then do this. There's an option tools right here. You go to tools, then you go to options, and then there's notifications. So all you got to do is click on enable push notifications and then enter your MT4 ID code that you have on your phone. Put it here, paste it, okay, and you're going to start receiving some trades as long as you have the MT4 open. So you do need a computer. Honestly, I would recommend you to just use a computer, but you know, it's just my advice. Quick question. Does the AI app look for RSI touching 50 on the 5-minute candle or 1-minute candle? What would your advice be to ensure the signals app more accurate? That's a good question. I'm going to stop right there and explain a few things. Look, the app itself is actually going to look for trades in 5 minutes when the RSI touches the 50 level in 5 minutes. But here comes the human factor. All you have to do is determine whether that touch of the 50 RSI is valid or not. How do you do that? Can someone let me know, like, how do I know if the 50 RSI being touched is a good entry point or not? I'm gonna just like give you a spoiler with the 15-minute chart. All right. So if you actually get a signal in the 5-minute chart, say a call, like right now it's actually happening. It says call position right now because it's touching the 50 RSI, right? How do you know if you should or you shouldn't enter? You go to 15-minute candlesticks and then you realize, whoa, is a downtrend. If it's a downtrend, what does that mean? It's looking for put positions in 50 minutes. So therefore, we're not going to enter that trade. All right. I see many people registering on email on my phone, so I appreciate the trust. And don't worry, this is not going to be like one thing that we're just going to launch and then we're going to just, you know, forget about it. All right, so getting back. You go to 5 minutes, that's where you get the signal, right? You got 5 minutes, so you got the signal. It's a put position signal right here. You see it? Awesome. So then you actually go right here on 50 minutes and then you see, oh, it's a put position. Okay. Now we can actually trade. Does that make sense? Now, if you go to 1-minute candlesticks, you're going to see a bunch of signals. It's not just going to be one. It's going to be a bunch of. And then you get to decide, of, as usual, when and how many times to enter. But take a look. You get a bunch of signals. So you get the first one in 5. And then you're going to check the 15 in order to see if you can enter. Okay? Let's see. I missed a lot of questions, so I apologize. I'm going to try to go through all of them. Let's see. How accurate would you say the tool is? Look, if you follow all of the trades blindly, it's going to be like 50% accuracy. If you know what I'm talking about and you follow my trainings, it's going to be like 90% accuracy. Spanish courses. No, I haven't thought about. Well, I thought about it, but I don't know. You would find it weird, but speaking in front of a camera, I find it really weird to speak in English. Look, I know I'm going to get judged and stuff, but for some reason. And in my like regular day-to-day activities, I always speak in Spanish, and I feel weird talking in English. So it's kind of weird. I don't know. Can you make a video in details every single thing, how to connect from MT4? Yeah, I will. This is just the streaming for launching. Just bought it, got a password via email, but it didn't work. And Switzerland does not only speak French, German, Italian, French. I don't know what that means, the last part of the question. But in regards to the password, you create a password. So it should work. If not, just go ahead and talk to my support team. 90 bucks to currently 400 currently. Awesome. Good job taking $90 to 400. Take a look at the trade right here. It's a winning trade. Just for binary? Yeah, just for binary. My neighbor wisher border. Yeah. How create is the new binary AI tool? You already answered. Do you also trade other things? All right. Not a good question. Does the AI tool provide the signals before it touches? No, it provides when it touches. It works for pocket option? Yeah. How much to start with and how much to expect? Very random question and wide open question. How much to start with? You can afford whatever you can afford to lose. How much you expect, depending on how disciplined you are. Is it a one-time fee? Yes, one-time, lifetime, no subscription. Right here is just one payment. Hey, smash the like button. We have very few likes. Otherwise, I won't, keep on answering. What is the best time frame to use the app based on backtesting? 5 minutes. Either even if you're in 1 minute or 50 minutes or 1 hour, this is just gonna send signals when the 5-minute candlesticks touches the RSI. That's it. What's the best time frame? All right, that's the same one. Does this work on Mac? Yeah, if you install MT4 on Mac. Look at the stock. Yeah, that's also a good option. So let me just go ahead and add this stock, the stochastic right here. Yeah, you can check out the stochastic too. This one, for instance, I wouldn't have entered. Checking the trend. Yep. Kindly show us live trades on AI. Yeah, maybe I will go ahead and trade some as soon as I finish with the questions. Then maybe I can place a couple trades. Is Telegram channel signals not enough for me to be profitable? Yes, way more than enough. Let me just move my camera because it's in the middle. I'll just switch. All right. I just want to make it mirror so you can see like I'm looking at the screen. All right. Let's see questions. Are you planning to continue Zoom screen sharing on BLW Battery Master app, but it's temporary? No, I'm going to continue. Only if I'm not here. Like, for instance, at the end of the month, next week, I'm going to be in Vegas. So at that point, I'm most likely not going to share my screen. I'm most likely not going to be trading. Or if I trade, I'm not going to share my screen because I'm only on my laptop. Thank you on my English. Can I use a funded account with the auto trader? No. Oh, well, I mean the auto trader, the BLW auto trader. Yeah, the Forex one. This one, no. Best expiration time, I'd say 3 minutes. When can we expect a tutorial video? Maybe in 2 days, because I will record it right now, and then probably it's gonna be ready in 2 days. Is this auto trader? No. 10% risk. That's a lot per trade, man. I think you're confused. This isn't Forex. Yeah, Ismail is right. As a MacBook user, honestly, it's way better to have a Windows computer. I don't even use the Mac anymore. I hate it. If you create a separate account and trade using just $100 so people who need urgent money can copy. Oleg, I'm just gonna take like 30 seconds to answer you. That mentality of you should just open the copy trading is the one that keeps you poor. Simple. Not even broke. Poor. Why? And you might complain. You can install. You can do anything. But man, work for your money, man. I'm giving you all the tools so that you can create wealth. And you're still like, hey, you should allow copy trading now. That's for lazy people, man. And don't get me with the idea of now I'm broke. My family, yeah, I come from a broke family too. I used to live I don't know. I used to do drugs. I used to live without eating one day because I didn't have money. So yeah, no excuses in here. I come from nothing, man. You can add a sign for present trend to confirm the signals. What do you mean? If we buy the AI app, we'll be able to join your Zoom calls? No, that's for the master app. All the way from South Africa. How you doing? Looking forward to your trading life. Yep. Yeah, it's as soon as we finish this, I'm gonna share my screen again on Zoom. If in 1 minute chart is not fully overbought or oversold, it will still enter. Yeah, just focus on the 5 minute and 15 minute one. If the 1 minute charts is oversold, overbought, that's good. All right, you just like super double confirmation. But if not, you just focus on the stochastic and stuff. We're gonna just see if we can get more signals right now so we can live trade. Does that sound fair? Just gonna turn the volume up so I can see the signal and hear it. I've just bought the BLW. Hold on till I get the download. The download is already available there as soon as you actually, create a username and password. The only thing that you have to wait is for the activation. But I do have my customer service team like literally right now helping you guys out. Like trying to get those activations as soon as possible. Just bought the BLW Master app 2 weeks ago. I thought it was this app. Pay some praise. How do I get the credit for this one instead? No, what do you mean? I mean, you've used the master app and now you want to switch it to this one? Nah. And even if you get a refund after this, I'd probably just block you for, doing that. I mean, you made a mistake. Just purchase the other one or just stick to the master app. It's even cooler that you see my screen, but it's really up to you. No, it's not a new version of the master app. The auto trading option, no, it doesn't include it. You need to download this MT2 trading platform if you want to use it. But it's really up to you. Is it better to enter when the RSI is above? Not really better. Just got my account activation. Good job. Awesome, man. And by the way, I recommend you to use it in major pairs. All right. If you want to use it in something else, you're welcome to do so. And it only works in real markets, remember. The difference between the master app and the AI tool is that the master app is live signals. The BLW AI tool, it's not. It's an app, Let me just go ahead and add some favorite ones. Say the USD. Here the USD regular, USD CAD, Euro USD, and what's the other one? USD JPY. All right, there you go. So I added the 4 pairs that I actually have in the master app, and we're gonna see if one of them is actually good. Only thing low right now is like the payout and stuff, but I guess we can work it out. Just like to share with you like an example as to how it would work. Okay. Is the stream today only for Forex? It's actually for binary. Maybe you guys got confused because you saw the MT4. I bought the BLW Auto Trader, but till now I can't find the form and the support team ain't helping, man. All right, the support team ain't helping. It's false. All right, 100%. Because I'm working on their asses. You know, I'm like focusing on what they're doing. So I'm gonna send you the link right now to the download page. And if you cannot access, it's because you don't have a username and a password. And if you don't have that, it's because you didn't purchase it or you did it wrong. So I'm not gonna like get into a fight right now. I'm trying to be in peace with myself. Should 50-minute candle and 5-minute candle all have always the same moving average? Yep. Is it stupid or dumb to trade $10 position with a 50 account? I would say yeah, if you don't want to lose that money. All right, USD JPY saying a put position, and I think it's a really good one. So we're gonna go into it right now. And why do I think it's a good one? Because the 50-minute chart is good. The only thing that I would like see risky right now is this one right here, the stochastic crossing up on 15. Other than that, I would say it's a pretty good trade. We got the signal and 5-minute candlesticks, and this is what we're looking at. And I really liked it because, first of all, we already won one before, but now the stochastic is actually crossing down. Okay, I know there's a lot of things to analyze, but trust me, it's not really that hard, and you get used to it like so fast. Sometimes you don't even have to analyze. It's like you recognize something good when you see it in front of you, and that's it. Right now, we just got a trade, and we're winning it. We're gonna see what the end is, of course, right? Which strategy videos of yours is best to use? Just check out the last 4 and you'll see the strategy that I've been using for like a year now. Chris, I hit my today's stop loss in the first session. Do you think it's a good idea to trade again with you to try to recover? No, that would be revenge trading. So I would advise you not to trade. Just follow me on demo if you want to. Otherwise, just go ahead and chill out. I don't know, do something that you like, play some video games, listen to music, whatever is it that you do to relax yourself, go ahead and just do it. And then come back tomorrow fresher. All right. That's what I'll do. The only reason why I'm going to do it, first of all, is because I want to help you guys out. And second of all, is because I already have profits. I made like $4,000 profits to recover my money. Very few likes, people. Very few likes. I want some more. Remember, you guys want to get the BLW AI binary tool, you guys now can do so. BLWAIBinaryTool.com. The link's in the description of this video. Let's see. They say you're affiliate in Pocket Option and you make people lose. Ha ha ha. So funny, people like that who can't see the truth. What do you mean? Like I'm making you guys lose money in purpose? Is anyone here in the BLW binary master app, like who's a member, or in the BLW Telegram channel maybe, that has been in the group for at least like, I don't know, like 2 weeks, maybe a month, that have made money with me, who can actually tell to this person how dumb his comment is? Like, I want to read you guys in the live chat. I'm not even going to go like through the history of the chat and stuff because there was one day we made over $600,000 altogether. So yeah, right now it's jumping. And as you already know, I have multiple entries on some trades. So that's because, you know, I placed one. So I don't want to get you guys confused. I love your energy. Thank you. After getting the signal to call, I will check the 5 and 15-minute channels. What if on 5 minutes I can see the RSI and stuck at ready, but on 15 it's not? Should I trade on 5? No. As long as it's actually going with the trend, you're good to go. I have another indicator on MT4. Can I use it anyway? Yeah. I guess you're talking about a BLW app. Yes, you can. Should I trade on 15 minutes or 15 minutes? I guess you said 5 or 15. It doesn't matter. 5 minutes is the main one, so focus on that one. Just bought it. Awesome. Welcome on board. Me, I have another indicator. That's the same question. Did he say if this work with Pocket Option? Yeah, it does. He has no idea about OCN. Yeah, I have. Can't wait to use this. Money made. I've made money. I've made $3,000 last week. Not even on the live, just using your strategy. You're the best. Have you ever used the fractal? No. So a few people is just telling you that they've made money. So all your judging is just over, my man. You just lost. You guys, you just got humiliated in public. That should be embarrassing. So probably he already left. All right. Welcome the new people who is joining in. We just lost one trade. That was very unfortunate because it actually happened in the last few seconds. Are you a millionaire? I don't know. I don't know. You tell me. For the fifth, oh, maybe you're asking this because I don't have a Lamborghini. Is that what you're asking for? No, I drive a Honda. By the way, the new ones who are joining in, this streaming is in regards to the brand new BLW AI binary tool that is being launched today and is based on the 50 RSI strategy that I've been using for like 3 years, not for like 3 years. I'm using it for like a year, but I've been improving it because I started using it for like 2 years ago, 2 years and a half, and I improved it, and now it's actually this baby right here. Let's see. For the 15 minutes, for me, it feels like 2 minutes works better. What do you think? If it works better for you, go ahead and check it out. VFX signals. There's someone right here doing spam on a different service, I guess. Does it work in Quotex? Yeah, it works in real market, so it works on any broker you guys want to. What is the most important, RSI or stochastic? Both. Both. I got a new signal though. AUD USD. Let's see what's up. AUD USD in 5 minutes. It's saying it's a put. Nah, I'm not gonna enter that one. You see, it's too risky. It's like the moving average is in the middle, so you avoid that. It works in OTC? No, just real market. Is the app has machine learning in the addition with your strategy? What do you mean machine learning? Just make money with the signal that you just sent. Good job. You earned too much to have a Lamborghini, haven't you? A Lamborghini costs around $300,000 to $400,000. A down payment for a good property, family property, let's say, costs like around $15,000 to $25,000. With the money of a Lamborghini, you can make a down payment for at least 8 to 10 properties. Those 8 to 10 properties can give you at least a cash flow of $500 a piece. So that means that you'll be making $5,000 per month passive income with a net worth of around, I would say like around $4 million. Is that better than a Lamborghini? I'd say so. I'm not going to say anything else. I just gave you a financial advice for free. I might just rent one over there in Vegas, but not buy it. I just made $400 with your strategy. Good job. I'm in the BLW binary master app for over 2 weeks, and now overall I'm in profit. Good job. So we look for a setup on the 5 minute, then drop down to 1 minute to find an entry like engulfing candle. It's right. I guess you're right. Yeah, you're looking interest in 1 minute. So we look, oh, no, it's the same one. Thank you for teaching the 50 RSI stochastic. You're welcome. I've been in the master app in June and July, made money and withdrew. I was too ignorant to know I could have grew my account. But thank you for teaching us how to trade. You're welcome. One, good job. What times are the real markets available? Usually from like 6 a.m. to like 11 a.m. my local time, which is Central Standard Time. So I would say like 12 GMT, well, 11 GMT to like 21, 22 GMT. I rarely see them, yeah. But brother, there's no problem in the real market. The payout is very less. Yeah, that's the only downside. Did you try the 30-second instead of 3 minute? No, it's a 3 minute. I bought you BLW Auto Trader and I didn't even do anything for me. I contacted your team support, but they all keep on repeating the same answering. Once the Auto Trader finds a good opportunity, it will copy the trade for your broker. You can see that in the history of your trades. Yeah, that's the right answer. But the thing is that, I don't know. I'm not saying it's you, but I saw one person that actually purchased the Auto Trader with a $10 balance. I mean, MT4 won't allow you, the margin won't allow you to place trades. I'm not saying it's you, but if it's you, send me an email, christian@blwonlinetrading.com, and I'll see you guys what's going on with your account, okay? And send me your receipt number, because that way I can find your account. By machine learning, I mean neutral network or something like that. No. Do you give classes? Yeah, for free. Binaryoptionsforbeginners.com or blwtradingacademy.com. It's free. Guys, trust him. I swear this man knows what he's doing. Thank you. Yes, I'm in the group. Can you talk more about the MT2 trading, and master app? MX2 trading? I don't know what that is. In the master app, this video is not about it, but the MT2, you just type in MT2 trading BLW on YouTube and you're gonna find videos about me talking about it. It seems often in 3 minutes it goes for winning position to losing position, just like we saw it just right now. Maybe we can switch it to 2 minutes. The good thing about this strategy is that you can actually like use any expiration you feel comfortable with, because you're playing with a 5-minute candle that is always going to be like there, like moving towards your direction, you know? Take a look at all the trades in this one. And it's your job to actually find and choose the best entry. For instance, take a look at these 2 entries right here. These are beautiful. Obviously, you got to check out in the 5-minute chart. But other than that, take a look at this one. This is in 50 minutes. Maybe I wouldn't have entered that one. I've made money with your strategy in 2 days. Good job. And lost time. It happens. Because I'm rushing the chart. Patience, strategy, and the right opportunity. Yeah, that's true. Patience. We got the link to this Legends class. Thank you. Yeah, it's free. Don't pay for courses, man. I used to sell like the BLW Trading Academy for 25 bucks, and then the BLW, the binary options for beginners.com for 29 bucks. And I was like, I'm not going to do crap with 25 or $29. Even if I sell 10 of them at like $250, I lose that in every single trade. And then I thought to myself, like, hey, there's some people selling courses for like $1,000, $2,000, even $3,000. And they're not teaching anything extra from what I'm teaching. So therefore, let's just go ahead and make it for free. The only thing that I charge for is for the recurring service that you use, or for the apps like this one that will actually make your trading easier. But I teach you exactly what you need to know in order to either need it or don't need it. It's up to you. Does that make sense? So yeah, it's free. Binaryoptionsforbeginners.com is free. And also blwtradingacademy.com is free. I did send you an email and still waiting for your reply. I'm sorry. If you send it today, then maybe that's the reason why. My account is active and I had $100. All right. I'll go ahead and answer you. If I haven't, I'll go ahead and answer you after the streaming and after my session. Just give me like a 2-hour window. After I finish my session, then I'm going to go ahead and go straight to the emails. Okay. Just bought the AI. Welcome on board. Can you please adjust or add some other indicator with this one to get a better understanding of possible reversals? All you need is to understand the strategy like a little bit and then the indicator. No other indicator is needed. Do you think I should stop trading for the day if I win a couple entries? Only if you reach your target. You got to have a plan. If your plan is to make $500 or lose $200, you reach any of them and then you stop. That's good. Or if you want a couple of them and you feel like your emotions are taking control, then you stop that session too. I like the confirmation of the 5 and 15-minute strategy. Good job. Does it work better with Quotex or Pocket? It works the same with both of them. You just got to check out of the payouts. I won on that AUD USD just now. Good job. Will you make a challenge again, like $100 to something? Yeah, maybe, but I'll record it because some people want to like have it live. Hi Chris, my question is regarding making $1,000 to $5,000 with 30-second candles and 1 minute expiration. Would you still prefer doing this way with $100 account, or would you use the current? I would use the current one, but the other one does work good. But it's just it gets too like it got me too emotional, to be honest. This one is a lot easier. My real account is $192 and I trade with $2 account. Will you do that the same? Yep. Yep. Even $1 would be good. Which is the best binary options platform? Pocket and Quotex. All right. I don't know. I could just have the live trading session with you all right now, because I was gonna have a session with the BLW binary master app people, but I could have it right now. Let me just ask them, like in the group chat right now. All right, people. Oh, hold on. I'll just go ahead and make a poll. Would you be okay if I had the live session today, the extra one, on YouTube so that everybody can join? I'll try to share the Zoom with them. Yes. No. I'm going to put like no, but just for fun. I mean, I think the majority of people would actually say yes. I'm going to type in yes, of course. And I actually, I'll do it also because I want to see the results. All right, let's see what happens here. And let me just go ahead and create the Zoom call. I think the streaming does allow me to actually have a Zoom and also a streaming. But the only reason why I'm actually going to be doing this like extra is because they'll get the signals faster. Oh shoot, hold on. All right. I'm not gonna share the link. Some people said no. You guys are so like selfish. But still, I'm gonna share like the Zoom screen with them. We're gonna get some signals though as well. USD call. Was that a call? Oh, it's a put position. All right. If we go to 15, yep. It's a good opportunity. USD Of course, I'm not going to be sending like signals like screenshots and stuff. I hope you guys understand, right? Unfortunately, though, the payout on this one is crappy. I'm going to lower it to 100 because I already made my profits. So I want to just trade with you like live. Sorry that I'm missing a few questions, all right? Hold on, because I got to share my screen. There you go. I guess, yeah, I guess we can have all of it all together. Obviously, if you already lost the money, then you should just go ahead and stop trading, okay? Don't blame me if you keep on losing money if you lost money on the previous session. Hold on. I gotta mute people. All right, someone had me. Oh, shoot. I entered a call position. That was a misclick. All right, that was my bad. I'm going to be willing to go to $36,000. That's going to be my limit. If I lose all the way to that amount, that's it. All right. I'm going to try to answer questions, but right now, live trading is going to be quite complicated. Six people voted that I shouldn't share like the streaming for free. You guys are super selfish. All right, this trade is kind of going crazy. So I would stop. I'm just gonna stop right now because we got this signal based on the breakout of the RSI in 50 minutes. We're looking at the RSI like kind of touching the or overpassing the 50 RSI. but it's not being respected, and that's completely normal. You can't win them all. I made the mistake of not checking the news as well, though. Oh yeah, but there are no news. All right, we're all good. Someone's chatting. I'm not gonna like. Yeah, people are selfish, man. I know they're just like making it as a joke. They already knew that I was gonna share my screen anyway. But you know. All right. Seems like I'm losing a few trades and I'm winning a few in here. I actually switched to 2 minutes, by the way, based on the message that I got before from one follower on. Let me just go ahead and, you know, there's very few people joining in right now, but if I actually go into my channel, I'm live trading right now. Join the link above. I know more people are going to come in when they see we're live trading. We lost all of them, right? Well, the ones below. I won the coal one. That was funny. All right. I didn't think I got more signals, did I? No. So I'm actually gonna ahead and check out the OTC pairs as well. This one did look good, but we're kind of too late. Yeah, we are. And remember, it's the same strategy. All right, this one looks good. Actually looks pretty darn good. So we're going in on, what's this? GBP AUD OTC. GBP AUD OTC. I'm still letting people in right now. And you should hit the like button because we have very few likes. We've been almost for 1 hour live, I think. I'm hungry. I haven't had breakfast today. So it's a combination of a bunch of, you know, stuff. Made money. Good job. Oh, sure. I'm losing again. Ah, come on. Remember, my target, my stop loss limit, it would be $2,000, I guess, like 2,700, because I'm willing to go 36. Even if I finish on 36,000, I'm still gonna have made money from my previous session. Sorry that I'm not answering more questions, people, but this streaming is actually going to be available for replay, or even you can just rewind it right now if you don't want to trade live, or you can just finish trading live right now and then jump into the streaming, the replay, and you'll be able to see all those questions that you guys have. Can you show the indicators and settings you use? Not in this streaming, because I already have a bunch of streamings in regards to it. Right now, it's literally touching the 50 RSI, GBP AUD. I see a lot of questions that I already answered, so that's the reason why I just ignore them. Yeah, it's completely overbought. So probably is going to start dropping right now. But for instance, this question, why are you using 2 minutes trades and not 3 minutes? Is because somebody saw that it could be better to have 2 minute expiration times, and I agreed, so I decided to test it. That's it. But yeah, a lot of these questions have been already answered before. Try to see if you're using the OTC on USD JPY question. If you're using OTC and not the real market, then you probably, that's the reason why you're not seeing the same movements. Right now, trading, look, this is going to sound rude, all right? But I'm not babysitting here. So you should look at my screen, see what I'm doing, and then, you know, try to follow up. If you think I'm going like too fast, probably you haven't watched many of my videos. Go ahead and check them out. The next streaming, you're going to be a lot more ready, okay? Because I see a lot of questions like, hey, can you teach the settings and stuff? No, I mean, I'm live trading right now. Shoot, the drop is kind of, it was good, but it would have been better if I would have won the other one, the previous one. Yeah, right now I moved to 1 minute. The streaming is in 1080p though. All right, we are almost 300 people live. You should have smashed the like button by now. Yeah, I love you guys too. My target is gonna be, I think, 40 grand today. 40 grand or 36 grand. Right now I'm entering more because of the overbought condition. It's not 100% overbought, but it's kind of reaching there. And if you actually jump into the 50-minute candlesticks, it's a downtrend. And if you go in 5-minute candlesticks, you see it's touching the RSI, it's preparing to actually do a huge drop right now based on the stochastic. So I'm not winning them all, but you get the point, right? Obviously, we're playing ads here. I'm not saying it's 100% guaranteed. And remember what's my target and what's my, stop loss. When's your next streaming? I don't know. I think I'm gonna have a streaming to Q&A for the BLW Auto Trader, maybe in a couple of days or something. There are a lot of confusions and questions in regards to it. Do you know if the affiliate program on Pocket is good? Yeah, it's good. Just don't try to scam people and tell them like, no, I'm not affiliated. Just tell them you're affiliated. I'm affiliated. Can binary make you rich? Yeah, depending on what rich means to you. If rich means $50,000 in your account, then yeah. If it's $10 million, then probably no. But it can help you buy some other investments that can take you there. This little candle is kind of killing me, man, because, I mean, I don't know. It's just, it's not dropping and it's not jumping. It's just like not doing anything. It's just kind of killing my trades. Are you the owner? Ah, come on, man. If I was the owner, probably, I don't know. I have like a diamond teeth right now. I'm not going to enter more in this one, I think. I don't like how it's moving. And it's probably because of the 50-minute candles. Like, it's too low. It's like overbought, oversold. So it's probably going to do the movement going up. And then it's going to start dropping. So I'd rather stay out. Right now it's kind of looking good, the stochastic, but I don't know. I'd rather not. I haven't gotten any other signal though. Did I? Nah. So I continue with OTC for the moment. Euro JPY OTC, nah. Oh shoot, AUD NZD OTC did look good. Only thing that didn't like of what I saw is this stochastic on 15. Do you want to bet that this new candle is going to be a red one on 5 minutes and then you're going to get all frustrated? These ones are for the real market. We're waiting for signals. So in the meantime, I think we're gonna go through some Q&A. AUD NZD is looking very good. All right, this is a risky one, but it could be a good one. So I'm just gonna go in, but you guys are welcome to just watch and learn, or join in if you want to. AUD NZD OTC. The reason why I say it's kind of risky is because on 5 minutes and 50 minutes it's kind of crossing up, and second of all, the trend is beginning to become a downtrend. I mean, there's a few candles, so it's probably already a downtrend, but it's not like a complete downtrend. So I just entered. We're gonna see how that one goes. Um, you open too many trades in on a single candle. Some lose, some wins. What's your advice for $500? $1 per trade. If I can feel from your message that you're emotional, so $1 per trade. Do you have a regular schedule to when you do live streams? Yeah, usually 15-minute chart, 15 minute, 15 GMT, but I don't do it daily. I'm planning to do some marathon, like a 4 hour streaming, trading, seeing if I blow my account or if I double my account. I don't know, something fun. But I want to like withdraw my money first so that in case I blow my account, I have the money over there in my wallet to like, I don't know, like a 20 grand new deposit or something. Your JPY must go down. You mean real or you're looking at OTC? This one? Yeah, it's probably gonna go down. Oh, this one didn't go down as expected. All right. Is there a delay on YouTube? Yeah, there is a delay for like 30 seconds. What do you think is a sniper entry? Just look for sniper strategy BLW and you're gonna find my video about it. I wanna work for you via help you with video editing. No, thank you. I appreciate it, but I'm not trying to become a famous YouTuber. It's just, my regular videos. Thank you. Thank you though. If I actually change my mind, I'll definitely go ahead and post like the job position. What was my deposit? It was like $300. The deposit that I made in pocket, it was $300. Then I started making money. I, went to like a very high account. I stayed there. I did a challenge when I had $5,000. I tried to take it to 100 grand, but I ended up blowing that account. So I made another $1,000 deposit. But those are the only two deposits that I've made. If you stream more, your YouTube will blow up. Maybe, but it's kind of exhausting to actually do live streams. Especially because of some dumb people who are haters. I'm looking at some emails, but I'm gonna answer them later on, okay? If you sent me an email, then just wait for me. Why do you open many small trades and not one big one? You should watch my videos in regards to my strategy to understand that. Do you like $200 deposit? Get 50%, you'll have 300. No, I don't take bonuses. Well, I didn't take bonuses when I deposited. Thank you. Thank you, the trading bully. AUD, NZD, and the money. Yeah, it keep on entering though. The reason why I actually lowered my trading amount is because I'm trading live. And usually when I do that, I'm not like focusing 100%. So I tend to lose more than I win. So I just lowered it. But other than that, I usually trade with 300. And when my account is like around 60,000, then I switch to 600 and stuff. Don't pay attention to the haters, my attention to the lovers. Yeah, no, I love you guys. It's just that, It's boring. I'd rather just record myself, you know, edit my video and upload it than streaming. But I plan to do more streamings this year, so maybe we'll have some more. I got a new signal. Euro USD put. Let's see, 15 minutes. All right, this one does look good. So we're gonna go to Euro USD as a put, and the payout is good as well. The 15-minute chart now, but we're gonna risk it. All right, that's what we gotta do right now. I'm gonna risk it, and in 1-minute candlesticks, it does look like it's gonna change the trend, but let's see what happens here. Euro USD, this is a signal of the BLW AI binary tool, the new one. If you guys are just joining in, this video is to announce that we are launching the brand new app, this one right here, BLW AI binary tool. The link is in the description of this video, blwaibinarytool.com. It's $79.99, one payment only, and it's available worldwide. Basically, it's a strategy that will send you alerts just like the ones that it sent me right now. And all we have to do is just follow and obviously analyze a little bit about the entry, then follow the trades, and we'll be good to go. Don't worry about the repainting, because the alert is just going to tell you when the RSI is being touched, and then you do the extra analysis. That's pretty much it. All right. I think it was in 1 minute. Was it? No, it's 5 minutes. Drop shipping. No, it takes too much time, and the profits are not as big. For how long have you been using the same strategy, and have you noticed any changes concerning it? I've been using it for like probably 6 months now, and it's worked amazing. I haven't noticed any change. And when I notice something, I usually like make a little tweak on the strategy, and I do good. Hey, more likes, people. It's over like 500 people have watched the streaming, and we don't have 200 likes. That's just, you should be ashamed. So go ahead and smash the like button. All right. Let's see. Questions. How much have you made from binary options in total? You wouldn't believe it. Do you look for the support and resistance and wait for it now? People start joining in on the Zoom call. Welcome, welcome. Ah, shit, it jumped in the last few seconds. Come on, man. It kind of looked weird. I only need like $1,000 profit right now in order to reach my target, my personal target, which is 40 grand. Like for this little section of trades, I already made money. I started with like $36,000 before in the morning, I guess. I don't remember. So let's see. Does it reach 1 million? Yeah, it does. Oh, shoot, no. Thank you for the likes. And remember, you guys want to join the BLW AI binary tool? The link is in the description of this video. The link is in the description of many videos, so you guys can check it out. If you want to be like part of my Zoom calls, like the ones that the members of the BLW Binary Master app are having right now, that's daily. It's with no voice. It's just like my screen sharing, but it's actually super powerful that you guys get to see my trades. And more importantly, you don't have any delay. You don't have any delay. Yeah, the stochastic in 15 is actually pushing up. But I'm trusting that the candlestick is not gonna be like a big green one. It's just gonna retract in the next 5 minutes, meaning that the next one should be a small red one, or at least I win these few trades and that's it. Let's see what happens. Obviously, we don't know exactly what the market is going to do, so I'm trusting the ads here. There's a lot more chances that it will drop a little bit and then probably continue jumping, or it will just retract in 15 minutes. the stochastic. But I'm playing like I said with the odds. But that's what you do when you do day trading, anyways. The key point is gonna be the new candle. We're gonna see what that one does. When will you start trading with Quotex? I don't know. It's just that the platform is quite slower for multiple entries specifically. It kind of gets stuck, you know, when you place too many trades, and I didn't like that. We're gonna see. Maybe they updated it or something. So maybe next week. My biggest balance, I think it was 350,000. I was planning to take it to 1 million, but then I, changed my mind. It sucks, that with this little trade, I'm not going to be able to reach my target. I was confident. Because look, I've been over 1 hour live, and I'm a little tired. So I want to like finish this streaming, but I want to get to like 10,000. So we're going to look for an OTC pair as well. Maybe we can find something that can make us that money. This one completely broke everything. Like I said, I don't trust it. Maybe this one. This is Euro GBP OTC. Yeah, this one does look good. Euro GBP OTC. Take a look at the 15 minutes and take a look at the 5 minutes. This trade, I'm not going to enter anymore because I already broke the 50 SMA. So we're just going to have those trades opens and see what happens. But honestly, probably we're not going in that one. Thank you for the nice comments. And I don't know, man. I just lost like 4 trades in the last 1 second or something on Euro USD. And some people are like, hey, trades are manipulated. Well, everything is manipulated, even in the big markets. Some big companies buy a lot of stuff and then they manipulate the pricing of share stock, cryptocurrencies and stuff. No, I didn't have any problems with that amount. We're too close to our target, people. And I don't want to get like greedy, but I want to finish with this, but I don't want to finish without making the 40 grand or getting to the 36 grand, whatever it happens. But I want to like reach my target. I'm pretty tired. And it's been 1 hour and 10 minutes of life. You guys enjoy it, by the way? Hit the like button if you did. Are you married? No, I was married. I'm actually getting divorced. But it's actually good. I got to 39 grand, but that was the closest. No, I gotta do a lot of things right now. What do you mean on TradingView? You mean like the strategy or the real markets for US traders? I'm not sure exactly what you mean. If you can rephrase it, I'll be more than happy to, answer that. You're a JPY. I think we missed it. No. You know what? No. This one does look good. AUD, NZD. Yeah, it looks beautiful. It looked a lot more beautiful when I was above, around the highest level. But right now, take a look at the cross. So the next candle should be a red one. If it's a red one, that's going to be our winner one. Or if it's a green one, it's going to be a loser one. Because I'm going like more aggressive on this trade. Oh, shoot. Either I win here or I lose everything. What do you think is going to happen? iPhone. I mean, your name iPhone. Sorry about that, man. Where's my pen? Whoa, what happened with that jump? I kind of didn't see that coming. Nah. Today's not the day, I guess. Is it? I mean, it's gonna be like a huge drop right now to make this day better. Yeah, MT4 is available in the US. All right, this is red candle kind of making things better. I don't think I'm gonna get to like 40 grand. I'm gonna stick like 39 something. Can you withdraw 50K in US TRC 20? Yes, you can, but if your balance is like 55 grand, then you're gonna have a bunch of calls from salespeople. All right, people, I'm gonna stick to 39,200. All right, that's it. That's where I'm gonna stick to. I wish I could continue, but I'm a little tired. But here's the deal. The BLW AI binary tool is up and ready. So go ahead and get a copy right now. After 100 people, I'm just going to close the registrations. You know, that's a sales speech. You already know that. But go ahead and get it. Trust me, you're going to love it. And more importantly, go ahead and smash the like button. Support us as usual. Thank you very much for being in this stream, people. I'll see you guys on the next one. Cheers.